Ethereum is ready to make a massive move, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Ethereum analysis. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Now, currently on Ethereum, we do look like we are still hovering above a support level of 1278. It looks pretty good in terms of a consolidation pattern right above the support level. The only downside thing is yesterday we were talking about this 4-hour candlestick, and I mentioned that if we do reject these exponential moving averages, it does become bearish. Now, currently looking at it from this perspective, you can see that the exponentials are pushing down, and we are still getting closer and closer to that support level, and in my opinion the chances of us breaking this support level is quite high. On Ethereum, you can see that we have to break above these exponential moving averages and try to get above the major level of 1356, which you can see we have failed multiple times over here, right? You can see that Ethereum did try to break above that level once. We were failed and multiple rejections to the upside, and the exponential is pushing down, and once again we had this short squeeze pattern over here where the price actually did try to break above. We got above, but then we were rejected extremely quickly right back to where the support level 1278 was. We did have this fake out situation right here on Ethereum. You can see that we did break below the 1278 level, and I know a lot of people started to short. The shorts started piling in, and of course the price went back up. Everyone got stopped out around the previous resistance level and right back down, right? So this range is pretty choppy. You don't want to get caught out in these ranges. In my opinion, it's better to wait until you have a clear confirmation, right? And once again, if for those of you that don't know what a clear confirmation is going to look like, what we're trying to look for is a break above on Ethereum, hit this resistance level, find it as support, and then a continuation pattern, or a break below support, hit this as resistance, and then a continuation pattern. Until then, this is just a consolidation range, and you pretty much don't want to be trading this, right? You can try to look for short positions every time we hit resistance, and just like every time we hit the support, look for long positions, and you can probably make a few bucks. But again, if you do get caught out in the position, let's say a break happens, then you're pretty much going to experience a very large move and possibly a huge stop loss, right? So it's better to be safe than sorry. But again, on the lower time frames now on Ethereum, you can see that we are hovering pretty well over support, right? On the lower time frames, it gives you a little bit of a better picture of where exactly Ethereum can go. We do see a triple bottom formation on Ethereum on the lowers. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tests, and we are still hovering on the support level. We do have this clean break above the exponential moving averages, but ideally what we were looking for is a bounce on support, not a break again, right? So that with that break, it just confirms that we're still looking to head for a lower side. Ideally, what we wanted to see was this sort of pattern candlestick where we break above, find it as support, and then a slow ladder continuation pattern, and then a large move, right? We saw that a few times over here on Ethereum. We saw this over here again once more, where we actually saw a break above, consolidation above to that resistance level, but failed and rejected completely again. Once more, failed, rejected, and once more. Now it looks like we're trying this again, but it is becoming weaker and weaker. I hope you guys can see that, right? We do have this large move, and then again we have the second move, and it does become weaker. We don't even get near that resistance level, and now a third time we don't even get halfway to that resistance level, and we get rejected automatically. So in my opinion, it does show that the bears are definitely in control of this right now, and we want to be careful before we enter a position. So just wait, in my opinion, to see whether or not we can break above that level, hit that retest. Now, of course, if we do get above that level, my next level of interest would be around the 1421, but the major level of interest that I'm actually looking for is around the 1526 level. Why is that level so important? Well, because you can see that over here we actually saw this massive move, and this had a lot of support level. We saw the break of that candlestick, but we never really quite got a retest, right? We actually did break below and just continuation downwards. So in my opinion, we might see a massive move to the upside soon, and we might be able to hit that resistance level, and that will decide what Ethereum's next move is going to be. If we can get above that 1526 level and consolidate, then we will be heading around the $1,700 level. Now, if we can't even get close to that level and we continue going lower, then the next level of interest obviously would be the $1,000 level. Now, that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.